Great, and thank you for watching. Here is Heavy Lift Drone's very first drone. Heavy Lift Drones has an innovative patent pending technology which has the primary lift propeller at the bottom. It's really turning conventional aircraft design on its head, but there's a few key features of it. One is that it can carry more cargo and more efficiently, by about 8 to 10% more efficiently. In some of these videos you're seeing prototypes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6 right here, called Clark. Right there is prototype 7, it's called Bruce. That one weighs 25 pounds, and I believe on top it's got 10-pound cargo. Here we have Clark again flying laps, and thanks for watching. This is what we've done so far. We're looking forward to doing more innovation in efficiency and cost.